Hi everyone, it's the month of August and we're now looking at the next zodiac sign, and upcoming is for you Librans. Now for you Librans, the month of August is a lot more favorable and it sounds a lot more better for you now, with small little obstacles moving away and some good news and some good support coming your way. So this month you need to pull yourself together, work hard, focus and keep on moving this month. So from the career perspective as well, people in the marketing field, any relationships with foreign countries, with foreign ties, it is a great month and you really hit a lot more profits this month. Careers are pretty stable this month, okay? And from the business perspective, it even looks that you start adding something new to your business this month, which will work in your favors. So that's a pretty stable month when it comes to your careers and your businesses. Yes, from the finances too as well, it does look like you have some expenses that are happening in this first half of the month. It could be for investments, it could be for business, but you do have some unseen expenditures happening in the first half of the month. So the second half of the month is when you need to start striking that balance and looking how to do some savings as well. From the health perspective also, it's pretty good this month. So it's like just some people who are having existing health related issues or lifestyle issues like diabetes, maybe high blood pressure, okay, people having like maybe some anxiety and stress. If you have an existing health issue, that is something you would need to take care of this month from the health perspective. Besides that, it's pretty okay. And yes, it is important for you to start working on your diets. It is very important for all you Librans this month to focus on good eating, healthy habits, and start putting in a lot more salads and some balanced diet into your daily routines as well. That is definitely called for in the month of August. From the family perspective, the family is great. Everyone comes together to support you, to help you, and to bond a lot more. Now, from the binding perspective, we do see among siblings, if there was any wounds from the past, if there was any discussions that went sour in the past, it is time for you to now clear the air and work on your bonding and work on pulling the family together and having a lot more better relationships and cleaning all that out for this month. As a remedy for you this month as well, you can go ahead and donate some fruits and vegetables, preferably yellow fruits and vegetables, to the poor and the needy people around you. You can even try distributing some milk to poor, needy, and especially to children around you, or even you can distribute them in religious holy places wherever you can get these children and do some good work and spread some good word as well. It will bring you a lot of blessings and it will even bring a lot of balancing and calming in your charts as well. So do try this out as a remedy. Do not forget, share my remedies as well with family and friends and let me know as well. Comment sometimes how does it help you, how have you gained from this. Okay, I do look forward to your support, so do not forget to comment at the bottom and do some sharing as well. Thank you all so much for being a part of my family. I'm Sharon S. Mondija with Avid News, and if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's stay connected.